So my plan was to show you these eggs that I made, but I got too hungry and I ate them. So Lily right now is out with Whitney. We were supposed to go together, but I ended up just doing like 75 hard stuff, like gym, walk, reading. Still have to finish the gallon to the picture. But yeah. So I'm just kind of chilling today. I don't really know what my plan is other than filming. And I think we might go out later tonight, but I think the dog has to go out, so. Hey! I think he needs to go outside, so let's ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. I think it's like 2 or 3 maybe o'clock. I'm not really sure how late it is, to be honest with you. Just took some pictures for Instagram to post later on in the week. So if you're not following me there, shoot your boy a follow. And links are down in the description. And I'm hoping that the shirts come in tomorrow or Monday, and then I can release them. They were supposedly shipped sometime last week. It's currently Saturday, the 5th of October, my mom's birthday. Shout out to my mom, happy birthday to you. And yeah, again, I really don't know what I'm gonna do today other than film, edit, and got all the other stuff done, like I said. Yeah, man, it's just kind of a weird day. I don't have anything really planned. Maybe I'll stop by the office and do some like follow-up. Who am I kidding? I'm not doing that. Yeah, let me get the dog before he runs into the woods. Diego cam? Doesn't really work, Diego, if you're smelling it. And we're gonna bring him back to his bed. And we're gonna bring him back to his bed. And he's on his bed. And we're gonna cover him up, because he likes to snuggle with the blankets. I feel so bad for the little guy because he's 14 and he's blind and he can barely hear anymore. And he's having a rough go of it, and he's been peeing inside and stuff, and I do feel bad. So right now I'm currently about to go into Kohl's. I'm going to try and return this shirt that I bought a couple days ago for that Boston Celtics hype video. Haven't heard anything about it yet, but let's see if that even comes to fruition. But nonetheless, I want to return the shirt because I probably am not going to wear it. It's a little snug, and yeah, I'd rather just get the money back for it, to be honest. So yeah, and then I was gonna go to the grocery store, but Lily texted me and wants me to go with her to church, I think. So I think I'm gonna do that, but let's see if she really wants me to go or not, because I'm not feeling it, to be honest. Just by the way, so I just pulled in here, and you've probably seen the background of the last clip that this person was pulling in. You know, I was already parked, right? Look at how close they are. Can you even see? Like, I'm not even gonna be able to open my f***ing door. Pardon my French. Look at that. Come on, man. Fucking on the line. People, you know? So real quick, the lady that got out of that red car that was like on top of me had red hair. So tell me who I see at the returns counter. A lady with red hair, dyed red hair. I'm like, are you kidding me? Turns out when I returned to the car, it wasn't the same person, but I mean, what are the odds? Like, dyed red hair. But I got the money back. It showed in the system that it was not the right tag number or whatever, but so that's good. I'm gonna give Lily a call right now, actually. So I have no idea where I left off last. I can't remember. I got home from the grocery store, put that stuff away, came up here, started watching YouTube videos, and then fell asleep, took a little nap. Still waiting for Lily to get home. She's still with Whitney. I think we're going to go get some food with her and her fiance when they get back. I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for checking it out. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. How are you liking these vlogtober videos? Let me know. I just don't want to waste my time if it's something that you don't want to watch. And if you do, I'll obviously keep doing it. But it's just, man, it's just not. I'm not exciting. I don't feel, you know. But I am trying to sprinkle a little bit of value in these videos as I would do with any other vlog. Obviously not as much as like a vlog tutorial, like 5 steps to become a better person, 5 steps to get out of a rut, and so forth, like the other videos that I've made. But yeah, just more on the everyday life of what's going on, and obviously like sprinkling the stealth journey in here too. So again, first link in the description. Get yourself a hat. Shirts coming soon. Again, they should be here early next week so I can release them, so stay tuned for that. I appreciate all your support, guys. It really means a lot, and you know, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it together. All right, check you next time. Signing off.